Hey everybody, we're going to walk through a little tutorial on measuring walls, windows, doors, and other details in a room so that when you're in your space trying to give me measurements, you'll understand exactly what we need to get the job done. So first we're going to measure this big wall with no interruption, so just literally go corner to corner like that. You do need a helper to help hold it tight and go straight into the corner, and then just record that measurement. Then we will, the next wall has a window and a door and a knee wall. So I'm going to do an overall measurement first, corner to corner. You want to keep the tape measure as flat against the wall as possible. So take that measurement just straight to the bend where the tape measure is. And then for a window, I would want measurements to the closest corner to the outside of the trim on the window. Just in the event that I would put a piece of furniture on this wall, I would want to know the measurement from corner to trim, because obviously I would not overlap the trim. And then the outside to outside measurement of the window. So outside of trim to outside of trim. And then, if there's no other interruption, obviously the remaining measurement would be from outside of trim to the corner. But in this case, we have a door, so I would want to know outside of trim to outside of trim again. Treat the door like a window. And then we do have a little bit of space here in the corner, so just the corner to the trim. And then we also have a knee wall here. So the easiest thing to do, knee walls vary in width depending on how they're constructed. So I will need a measurement of the width of the knee wall. And then I would want to know, I need to know where this wall is out of the corner. So I'll hold that right there. So just to the edge of the wall, to this wall that it's adjacent to should be sufficient. You don't necessarily have to measure from this side of the wall back to that wall. I would just want a measurement of the height of this wall just for planning purposes, so just go down flush to the top. So then we'll do the third wall in this room. And then there is an opening to the hallway, so to the corner, and then again to the outside measurement of the trim. And then in this case, the door trim is flush in the corner, so there's no other measurement for this doorway, but you would just need to note that on the plan. Okay, so the fourth wall has a large cased opening. So again, we'll go corner to corner and record that measurement. And then we will, to capture the size of the opening, we will go corner to outside trim. And then outside trim to outside trim for the opening. A couple of other things that will be important to note when taking measurements is the height of an opening, whether it's a door or a window. So just hang the tape measure on the top of the trim. And just come all the way to the floor and make a note of that height. I will also need an overall ceiling height. So again, go flush to the ceiling. Don't go anywhere in the crown or below the crown. Go all the way to the ceiling and down to the floor. And just make a note, if for any reason door openings are different sizes, they're all the same size in this room, but if for some reason there's different heights of doors, make a note of that.